ladies, it's Amos. Welcome to another YouTube styling video. This is going to be about Piphany's Oakland t-shirt. And if you would like to purchase these, come on and join my group shop with Amos.com right here on Facebook. Let's get to it. So this is from a brand called Piphany. I am in love with their clothes, and you're going to see a bunch of styling videos here for them. And this is called the Oakland tee. I think at a $25 price point, it is fantastic. I love the scoop neck right here. It does have a shorter arm, so it does show a little bit more of your arm, but it is very comparable in the sizing and the stretch, which I really like. This is a nice satiny fabric, so this fabric feels just soft and slinky and silky, and of course because of that it has a little bit more flow, which is why it's fluttering at the bottom. It has a nice tapered bodice, and then slightly flares out, and then this really cute scoop, and then look at it goes lower in the back to cover all my assets. And then if you wanted to, you could totally spin it around, tag is still on it, and create that really nice boat neck, and then it goes lower in the back, and then you still have ample room to cover your booty butt. So this is also a really cute option. Of course, if you wanted to belt it, you would just pull it up, and that nice swoop also is there to cover all of your lower midsection. I'm also wearing it with their brand new Manhattan pants. Oh my gosh, these are jeggings. I have never tried jeggings on in my entire life. I absolutely love them, and they have full pockets. Oh my gosh. So this is a 3X. I'm gonna step off camera and I'm going to try on a 2X for you. I've never done this, so I'll be doing it live while making this video. So let's get to it and see how that works. Now, the Oakland tee, I think, is got a good enough length on it. It doesn't feel too cumbersome. I think this is a great shirt for year-round wear. And this is me in a 2X, and wow, I can still totally wear it. It actually doesn't feel that much of a difference from the 3X. The arms may be a little bit, tiny bit shorter. I do feel it's a little bit looser in the arm, but I can still hug myself, so I still have plenty of mobility. So by putting on this 2X and letting you know that yes, I fit into a 2X, and yes, I fit into a 3X, all this says is that if there is a print that you have to have, but you can't get it in your size, if you're able to size down, you just open a whole new world for yourself. So let's see what it looks like backwards. Now, I love backwards for many reasons. Number one is if you are a little bit self-conscious about showing chest area, by putting this up higher, you'd be able to stay modest. The second thing I like is I like how it kind of opens up the scoop neck. I think that's very, very attractive, especially if you have short hair. And then, of course, it's usually longer in the back. So by putting it backwards, you get that extra material in the front to cover the vajay zone, which is so important. And then, of course, you still have plenty of length to cover the back, but I like how it kind of sits and just kind of curves and just shows a bit of your cheekage. This would be a great shirt to also tuck into any type of skirts that you have that are meant for tucking in and high waist. It's also really great if you wanted to wear a blazer or a jean coat, or like, I definitely think blazer for sure. I mean, if I added a blazer to this with my cute Mary Janes, I think that would be totally office appropriate. But then, of course, adding a layering piece just kind of elevates it a little bit. And if you're a little bit self-conscious about, your sides, that layering piece is really going to help. Overall, I am really pleased with the Oakland tee. $25 is the price point, and you always get free shipping. Girls, I know you want this. Join my group, shop with Amos.com. Comment below if you have any questions about this. And remember, girls, with me on your side, you're going to put a pop in the Piphany closet. Bye, girls.